Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Muhammad Maz and you are watching the AM Tech. Today is the video about the laptop which is best for the gaming. So the laptop which is right now displaying on the screen is Alienware m17r2 with the specification of the processor type is i7 9th gen with 2.6 GHz. It has 16 GB RAM and 512 SSD. The chip type is Intel. The device type is full display device. The display memory is 8086 MB. It has 1920 into 1080 display which is called a full display device. The graphics card model is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 Ti which is best for the gaming. Direct 3D API version is 12. The graphic boost class is 1590 MHz. Memory interface is 192-bit. Memory bandwidth is 288.5 GB. Total available graphics is 14230 MB. And it has a dedicated video card is 6 GB DDR6. The shared memory is 8086 MB. And videos bio version is 8086 MB. So if you want to play any game like GTA 5 or higher than GTA 5, then I will recommend you to buy this laptop, because this laptop is only made for the gaming. It has different lights on the keyboard and also different lights on the back of the laptop. So viewers, this is the short information about the Alienware m17r2. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.